Have you ever wondered if reality as we know it could be but a fragment of a much larger, complex universe? Welcome to a narrative that takes us beyond the realm of known science, into the mysterious world of the Hadron Collider, the elusive Higgs boson, and a speculative twist. We are about to explore a theory that suggests we may be living in an alternate universe, a theory proposed by none other than Max Laughlin. The Hadron Collider, a testament to the brilliance of human intellect, was conceived and built to unravel the deepest secrets of the cosmos. Yet within the fabric of this story, its colossal power is believed to have led to an unprecedented event, a tear in the very essence of reality. The pursuit of the Higgs boson, the so-called God particle, was not without its share of anomalies. As the collider's massive ring facilitated the collision of particles, a ripple exploded through the continuum of space and time. Max Laughlin's theory suggests that this was the moment when we, unknowingly, stepped over the threshold into an alternate dimension. In 2012, the scientific community rejoiced as the Higgs boson was finally uncovered. However, beneath the celebrations, a strange sensation permeated the air. The world, it seemed, had subtly shifted. This, according to our speculative narrative, was the moment our reality was altered, a moment triggered by the events at CERN. The implications of this speculative twist are immense. We find ourselves navigating an alternate reality, grappling with questions about our identity, our very existence, and the nature of reality itself. The road ahead is cloaked in uncertainty, but it's a journey we undertake with a spirit of curiosity and resilience. As we reflect on the enigma of the Hadron Collider, the discovery of the Higgs boson, and the audacious theory proposed by Max Laughlin, we are reminded of the limitless possibilities that extend beyond the known. Our quest for truth and understanding continues as we venture further into the uncharted realms of the cosmos.